Introducing PureTarget, a powerful long-read panel enabling carrier screening from PacBio. Let's head into the lab and see how PureTarget can consolidate legacy assays and modernize your research while saving you both time and labor. Many labs running carrier screening assays are still stuck in the past with old technologies. PCR and fragment length analysis, triplet primed PCR, qPCR, MLPA, or even southern blots for genes that don't sequence well with short reads. Every one of these assays requires a trained technician, outdated equipment, and significant cost. PureTarget from PacBio allows you to sequence 12 genes that are relevant to carrier screening, including FMR1, FXN, SMN, and F8, all in one PCR-free assay. Powered by the Revio system with Spark chemistry, PureTarget scales, so you can process 100,000 samples per year on a single Revio. PureTarget is an end-to-end workflow that seamlessly integrates with the systems already in your lab. With automation scripts available on Hamilton and analysis with the PureTarget carrier pipeline in DNANexus Marketplace, you can be ready to hit the ground running with a new long-read assay. The PureTarget workflow includes nanobind for DNA extraction, library prep using Cas9 for target enrichment, and powerful HiFi sequencing, a complete solution for one competitive price. PureTarget consolidates workflows so you can deliver powerful results fast. PureTarget, a simpler way to tackle the toughest genes.